My name is Dell Miller. I work at Spoken Wheel in Los Angeles, and I'm a master hair colorist. So a chelator is something that tackles hard water, buildup, minerals, metals, anything that's kind of in the hair that you don't really want to be in there before you do a coloring service. Doing hair color as long as I have, I've seen kind of the gamut of different things. A lot of times you'll see foil packets start to swell up. You'll see a little bit of smoking, discoloration. You'll put color into the hair and it comes out a completely different color. So mineral and metal buildup can really affect the color that we do every day. So most of my clients may not have ever experienced what demineralizing or chelating is. This is something that's really easy to teach your guests. So they may not know that they have hard water. They don't know that they have buildup. And this could really kind of reduce some of the other problems that they've had with their hair that they didn't know that this was the source. So as I enter into any hair color service, I like to feel the hair, touch the hair during my analysis phase, right? And so as I'm doing this, I'm starting to feel if the hair texture feels squeaky, if it feels rough. Usually you can get different textures depending on what the buildup is, but I know that I'm gonna have to address it at some point. Something that makes this chelator very special is that it's so easy to use. There's no mixing involved. It's reducing up to 7 different types of metals and minerals. And then it also works in just 4 minutes. So it makes my job so much easier to be able to add it onto a service and kind of get through that without having to wait and go through a longer process. The Pro Chelating Hair Complex works on all types of hair, and really it can be used before any service. I think a lot of times we don't really see what's on the hair. It's not always visible. So I think before any service, it's always a good idea to chelate the hair. What I like to do is during my consultation is when I start to chelate the hair. Because what this does is it's kind of doing 2 things in one. So I'm chelating at the same time I'm consulting. So really, it's adding no additional time, not even the additional 4 minutes. So there are so many different variables when coloring hair, whether we're lightening it or just doing a regular hair color service. The last thing I want is to worry about things that I don't need to. So having this chelating product really makes sure that I don't have to worry about things like hard water.